Okay, I think we're live. I think we're live. Oh my goodness. Facebook changed. They changed the live stream. I apologize for the technical difficulties and the delay in actually coming on here live. So I do want to just check if you guys will give me just another minute. Um, I am not actually seeing the feed coming through. It kind of looks So I want to just make sure that it's working before I go into today's topic. Okay, it looks like it, and I see someone's watching. Hello, hello, hello. Whoever is watching, if you can give me a comment and let me know if you're seeing me and hearing me with this new Facebook live design. That would be amazing. Awesome, awesome. So now that we're actually officially live and we're rolling, welcome to Holistic Wellness Wednesday today. Happy Wednesday. Hi, Carolyn. Hello, hello. I trust you can see and hear me. So wonderful. Thank you for commenting. I appreciate that. Very cool. So today, yay, you can hear me. That's great. So today's topic is the quantum connection. The quantum connection. This totally popped into my head. You guys know the song The Rainbow Connection. I don't know why it came into my mind, but for some reason those lyrics just popped in there. Hey Bonnie, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I'm so glad you guys can hear me. So I felt inspired to just use that title. So quantum connection, that's what we're talking about today. And I hear so much from people about really having this desire to raise their frequency, to create their life in a way that they really want to, their health, their well-being, their physical abilities, and their finances, and more abundance, and more love and happiness and joy in their relationships. I mean, we want it all, right? We want it all. That's just human nature. We want to live our lives to the highest capacity that we can. And what I've been learning is that all of those things that we want, everything that's in your heart, everything that's in your soul as a desire, everything, every idea that's come into your mind, and you're like, oh my gosh, that would be so cool. And then usually us humans, we push those ideas away. We tell ourselves, oh, that will never work, right? But all of those thoughts, all of those ideas and desires in your heart, or downloads, as some of us call them, those are all in your heart and in your soul for a reason. It's because you are capable of having those desires, of creating that life that you want. And the really cool thing is that all of those desires, all of those possibilities that you're dreaming and wishing and hoping for, all of them exist. They already exist. You might not see them right now in this moment, in this reality, in your life, but they already exist. And they already exist in multiple realities. Because there's other realities, not just this one. Like, we experience it and live in this one, this three-dimensional reality here on Earth. But there's other realities that have all of these possibilities happening already simultaneously, and they're playing out. And what we've learned is that we can connect to these possibilities when we go into the quantum field. So this is where it gets a little woo. Like, if you're still listening, I'm really you're probably really into this stuff, because this gets people really weirded out. Especially if they're hearing it for the first time. Like, what is the quantum field, and what does it mean? And what do you mean all these realities are happening at the same time? Like, what's that all about? But when you can connect into these possibilities, we have the ability to really create a new reality for ourselves. We're creating our reality every single day, every single moment of every single day. Everything that happens in our lives, we're creating it. with our energy, with our frequency, with our intentions, with our thoughts. Your thoughts become things. You might have heard that phrase. It's all true. It's all true. And quantum physics and quantum theories show us that it is true, that we can connect into these things. Okay. Thank you, Carolyn. I'm just checking some of the messages. Awesome. I hope that the connection stays. It's really funny. I thought it was really funny that the title was Quantum Connection and then I'm having trouble connecting, right? Like something's going on with the field. I don't know. But anyway, connecting to the quantum field. I've heard so many teachers out there say that it starts with intention, and it does. But there's actually something you have to do first before you be like you can't just sit there and have an intention and meditate and be like, okay, this intention is gonna happen. It may or may not happen. And it depends on your frequency. If you're sitting there and you're like really, really, really depressed and you're really down and low, kind of down in the dumps, feeling very sad, like a lot of the lower frequency vibrations, if you're in that space and from that space you're trying to have an intention to explore the quantum field and get everything you want, probably not going to be as successful as it could be. But when you raise your energetic frequency and you're feeling all of the joy, peace, abundance, love, gratitude, all of those really, really high vibrational frequencies, and you set your intention from there, then you're going to start to see the possibilities opening up for you. And there's one piece that a lot of us miss when we go into this place of setting the intention and trying to explore the possibilities, explore the quantum field. We miss this piece of surrender. Surrender. Surrender is so powerful. I know that the word kind of, it sounds like it's you're giving up, right? It sounds like you're losing control of something, you're giving up something. It sounds like a failure. But surrender is actually the way to be that frequency that you want and to get into those other realities that you want to explore. We do it through surrender. And the surrender that I'm talking about it's not like giving up on your dreams and surrendering to your circumstances or anything like that. It's surrendering to your soul and your heart's desires. It's surrendering to the possibilities that exist for you. And it's letting go of the attachment of how it needs to happen. So like for an example, I think I've used this example before. If you're looking for be if you if you've missed what I just said, I'll repeat it just real quick here. And that was that surrendering is not about giving up on your dreams. Surrendering is about surrendering to the possibilities that exist for you and not getting fixated on everything needs to happen a certain kind of way, right? We were using the example of the house. If you want a new house, you might think, oh, okay, I have to do it this way. I have to like finance it in this way. I have to use this bank. I have to live on that street. I have to. But if you're fixated on the way you think it should go, you're going to miss out on other possibilities that are so much better than what you could possibly even imagine because you didn't surrender to that possibility. You didn't open yourself up to other possibilities. And surrendering is just, it's letting go of the attachment. Who cares how it happens? Because whatever comes into play for you, it's going to be perfect for you. So it's trusting and surrendering to those possibilities. Okay. Thank you, Carolyn. All right, so if you want to dive deeper into this topic, I'm actually doing a live workshop tonight, Wednesday, and it'll be at 6:30 Eastern Time, New York time, Toronto time, whatever time zone you're in, it's Eastern time for us, 6:30. And I'm calling it quantum music therapy. Now, I do have to preference this with quantum music therapy is not actually a term that's used in the music therapy world. All right. I'm calling it quantum music therapy because as a board certified music therapist, I'm using music therapy as the tool, but I'm getting into the quantum to get there. I'm using it as a tool to the quantum, and I'll be using it in ways that we're doing energy work, and we're going to be connecting through the quantum field together using music therapy. So that's why I'm calling it that. So if you Google it, you're not going to find it, but that's what we're doing tonight. So tonight at 6:30, the Zoom link, if you are on my email list, you already got the Zoom link. I sent it out yesterday and again this morning right before jumping on here. I think I have it still. So I think I can actually post it just right now. Let's see if it goes in there. Nope. It didn't copy the link. Okay, I will post it as soon as I'm done with you guys. All right. So, join us tonight if you want to jump into this topic a little deeper and actually have an experience where you get to be in the field. We're going to go into the field tonight. So, it's going to be really, really exciting and just a really, really, really exciting opportunity for us. So, the event is free. I will post the Zoom link. You can jump on at 6:30 Eastern Time and we're going to go quantum together. All right? Until then, trust and surrender and raise your frequency so you be ready for tonight. And I will see you guys tonight at the event. All right. I love you all. Have an amazing Holistic Wellness Wednesday. And I do apologize for the technical difficulties. That's just that's how the energy goes sometimes. All right. So love you all, and I will see you tonight. All right. Bye for now.